Alright guys, so I know that recently we've been talking about the 900 horsepower Hellcat that's coming out in 23 that runs on E85. We've been talking about jailbreaks. We've been talking about potentially even more horsepower coming out in 2023, right? For the Charger and the Challenger. But what I'm here to tell you in this video is the Hellcat Redeye, and the jailbreak that you have right now is more than enough power. And the reason being is because this list that I'm looking at here will take your Hellcat from Hellcat Numbers to Hellcat Redeye Numbers, your Redeye from Redeye Numbers to 900 plus horsepower numbers. And get this list even applies to the Scat Pack boys, Charger and Challenger. We're talking about taking the Scat Pack from 485 to 600 horsepower plus. Dodge has not talked about this. They haven't released this. All this information is to be determined, but we're going to talk about it in this video, guys. I'm dead serious. You need to watch this before you go out and order anything else than what you already have, because 9 times out of 10, what you already have is more than enough power. Just watch this video. Let's talk about it. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Knockout360 here with another video for you guys. So you can tell I'm in the car. That makes this a car blog. You already know what's going down when I come around. Let's get into it. Car content, car shows, car reviews, car meets, anything and everything car related happens on this channel. So if you're into that, make sure that you stick around, because you're in the right place. For everyone else, hit that subscribe button, should be down here, and that notification bell should be in this area as well, so that you know what's coming out and when it's coming out, right? So let's talk about it. Previous videos, we've been talking about the 900 horsepower Hellcat running on E85. We've been talking about more power coming to the Charger in 2023. And this is all in hopes of, you know, Dodge sending their Hellcat off the right way. The last year of the Hellcat, we want to send it off the right way. A lot of you guys in the comments have been saying that you already ordered your 2022 Hellcat, Charger or Challenger, Redeye, or, you know, regular or jailbreak. You've already ordered your 2022 Scat Pack. It's already in shipment. It's already coming. And you're not interested in upgrading in 23 to anything else. You've already got what you've got, right? I don't blame you. And what you also need to realize is that you need to keep what you have. I'm going to say that right now. If you have a Scat Pack, yes, I did say Scat Pack. If you have a Hellcat, whether it's a 2015 707 or 717 wide body, whether you have a Hellcat Redeye, Charger or Challenger, 797, Super Stock, 807, it doesn't matter. Jailbreak, Charger or Challenger, you need to keep those cars. Do not bother upgrading anytime soon, because if power is your concern, and maybe you're concerned that you're missing out on what comes in 2023, let me drop this on you. So this is the list that one of my subscribers sent me. My man Mopar Baby, that's his name on Instagram, Mopar Baby, sent me this list. And direct connection stage kits availability. We've been talking about, and a lot of you guys have been in my comments and my DMs asking me about, what about the regular Hellcats, the first generation Hellcats, the 2015s? What about the Scat Packs? Why is Dodge not doing anything with the 392, the Scat Pack, wide body or slim body? Our engines are big and they're powerful, but they can still squeeze some energy, some power out. As big as these engines are, we should still be able to get more power. You guys have always wanted more power out of the Scats. Dodge answered, but they didn't release this. All of this stuff is literally to be determined and under development. I'm going to put this list up on the screen right now if I haven't already. At the top, you see Challenger RT392, SRT Hellcat, Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye, Super Stock, the Demon, Charger RT392, Charger Hellcat, and then the Charger Hellcat Redeye. All we knew about initially was that Dodge was going to do the direct connection for the Hellcat Redeyes, Charger and Challenger, and the regular Hellcats, right, for the Charger and Challenger. They never mentioned anything about the Scat Packs. They never mentioned anything about the Super Stocks or the Demons. Let's talk about it. So the numbers that you're going to see in this video here are all speculation. Let's just be honest here. But if you'll look at it, and let's start with the Scat Packs, because a lot of you Scat Pack guys have been interested in more power. You're mad at Dodge because it seems like Dodge just kind of excludes the Scat Pack. We got this big 6.4 liter 392 Hemi putting down 485 horsepower, but it needs more. As heavy as our cars are, as big as they are, it needs more power. Let's start with the Scat Packs, Charger and Challenger. If you look at this list, it says pre-stage, stage 1, stage 2. All of this is to be determined. All of this is still under development. In other words, it's not available. Nobody knows when it's coming out. Nobody knows what it's going to look like. Nobody knows what parts it's going to include or the power that it's going to put down. But we can speculate, can we not? And that's what we're going to do in this video. So what you're seeing now is RT Scat Pack 392, pre-stage. A lot of the components that I included on these pre-stage, stage 1, stage 2, is based off of what we've seen with the pre-stage, stage 1 and stage 2 of the Hellcats and the Hellcat Redeyes that's already out. So if I get something wrong, don't shoot the messenger. This is all speculation. Let's talk about it. So the first one here, once again, speculation. The pre-stage, we're looking at high capacity air filter, which makes sense, just simple. That's a cheap mod. 180-degree thermostat, makes sense. And then of course the direct connection tuner that plugs right into the OBD. That way we can get into software and tune this car. Taking this car potentially from 10 to 20 horsepower over what it already is, we're looking at 495, 500. So you got your 500 horsepower Scat Pack. Once again, the price, all speculation, let's say it's $1,000. Stage 1, stage 1. Once again, builds off of the pre-tune that's already installed on the car. More aggressive tune, getting into that software and unlocking more aggression. 40 to 65 horsepower more over that. We're talking 525, 550. Total price $400, because at the end of the day, that's just a software mod. No parts, nothing physical needs to be taken out or installed or what have you. Stage 2, once again for the Scat, builds off of the pre-stage and the stage 1 tune. More aggressive tune unlocked via the direct connection, maybe even a Hellcat pulley, right? Speculating once again, guys. This is speculation to the top. 100 to 115 horsepower over the stock 485, which is going to take our cars from 585 to 600 horsepower. Which I understand that's not Hellcat numbers, but that's pretty damn close. For a total price of $1,000 for your stage 2 kit. So in total, we're looking at about $2,500, $2,700, $3,000 total to take your 485 Scat to 600 via the direct connection program, and your warranty is maintained, and you know that you're getting installed correctly because it's installed by Dodge. For once, we get the power that we deserve in these cars, in these Scats. And you don't have to sell your car, you don't have to trade your car in, you don't have to put in an order for a Hellcat. You can keep the car that you have now because it's more than enough. Keep your Scats, guys. Do not bother upgrading to Hellcats if it's not in your budget and that's not something that you want. Let's go to the Hellcat. 2015, 2018 Hellcats. Now these are the original 707 Hellcats, the slim bodies. We already knew about stage 1 and we already knew about the pre-stage, right? What we didn't know, which if you look at the list here, Hellcat stage 2 to be determined under development. We already knew that the regular Hellcats could go from 707 to 712 to 747. But with that Hellcat stage 2, which we don't know about, let's speculate. Stage 2 builds on pre-stage and stage 1 tunes, more aggressive tune via the direct connection, Redeye pulley and internals, 63 to 88 more horsepower over the 707. We're talking 770, 795. Guys, if you own a 2015, 2016, 17, 18 Hellcat, and you go with the stage 1, stage 2 kits that Dodge is offering, you now have a Redeye Hellcat. 795. Once again, we're speculating, I understand that, but 770 to 795, you have your Redeye Hellcat. You do not need to upgrade to a Redeye or a jailbreak. Keep what you have. Save that money. Let's talk about the current Hellcats. Stage 2, once again, we already knew that the regular Hellcats for the current years, we knew stage 1 was going to give us 722 from 717 to 722. We knew that stage 1, I probably said the same thing, pre-stage was 722, stage 1 was 757. We had no idea what stage 2 was because it was under development. What if stage 2 gives us the more aggressive tune, the Redeye pulley and internals, 68 to 83 horsepower over 717. We're now looking at a Redeye / jailbreak type of numbers from 785 to 800 for $1,200. Once again, speculation, I understand that, but you know, humor me. Let's talk about the Redeye. So we already knew that the Redeye came with pre-stage 1, pre-stage 1, and then stage 2. They did not mention stage 3. That's right, stage 3. If you own a Redeye right now, Hellcat or Challenger or Charger, stage 3 will be available in 2023. Builds on the pre-stage, stage 1, and stage 2 tunes. Demon pulley and internals, which the Redeye already had. More aggressive tune. 100 horsepower more than regular Hellcat Redeye numbers. Guys, we're talking about potentially, for the stage 3, potentially 900 plus Hellcat Redeye. Which sounds familiar, doesn't it? 900 plus Hellcat Redeye, doesn't that number sound familiar? Oh yeah, Dodge just announced that a 900 plus horsepower Hellcat is supposed to be coming out next year. But you already have that. If you own a Redeye, you do not need to upgrade. If power is your concern, it's right here. It's in the direct connection list. You know what I'm saying? Your car is capable of 900 horsepower without trading it in and buying the 900 horsepower car. Total price $2,000. I would imagine it'd probably be more expensive than a regular Hellcat or a Scat Pack. And then of course the Dodge Demon. Literally the Dodge Demon is on here. So for you Demon owners, pre-stage, stage 1, stage 2, you're already starting at 840. So realistically speaking, 100 from that, 940. We're easily looking at 1,000 horsepower Demon, guys. Let's just be honest here, right? I'm not even going to talk about the Demon because so few people actually own that. What I do want to focus on is the Scats. 392, guys. Finally, we will be getting love. I don't know why no one has mentioned this list. I don't know why no one has talked about this list, but it's real. Dodge Garage, Hellcat Forum, DodgeCharger.com. It has these lists, guys. It is an official list. It's no cap. If you own a Scat and you're cool with your Scat and you don't want a Hellcat, but you want more power, as we all do, it will be possible. To be determined, under development, which means we don't know, but it is coming. I would not be surprised if they announce it next month at the, what are they calling it? The Speed Week, the August Speed Week or whatever they're calling that for Dodge. Yeah, Dodge Speed Week. Yeah, I would not be surprised if they're announcing that next month, that you will be able to take your Scat Pack from 485 to 600, maybe even more. I could be underestimating the numbers. But the fact of the matter is, guys, at the end of the day, the reason that I'm bringing this to you is because I just want you to know that what you already have is more than enough. You don't need a new Redeye if you have a Hellcat. You don't need a jailbreak if you already have a Redeye. You don't need to sell your jailbreak, your Redeye, or your regular Hellcat in hopes that whatever comes out next year is going to be much more powerful than what you already have. You already have the potential to take your Hellcat from Hellcat numbers to Redeye numbers, from Redeye numbers to Demon plus numbers. So hold on to what you already have because it's more than enough. And then finally, for the Scat Pack, guys, we are finally getting love. Dodge finally listened to us. They heard us. They're listening to us, guys. We will finally be able to get some serious power out of these Scat Packs. Once again, guys, speculation as always, but this is true. The document that I put up there, that list is real. That's no cap. That's coming. It is coming. We just don't know if it's going to be this year or next year, but it is coming. So if you own a Scat Pack, a Hellcat, a Redeye, a jailbreak, hold on to it because more power is coming your way. It's been your boy Knockout 360. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.